Here are the 4 steps to picking your first stock. Step 1, look for strong, profitable companies. The fastest way to start investing is by picking a strong, profitable company that has a history of success. Here's what to check for. Revenue growth. Is the company making more money every year? Profitability. Are they keeping more of what they earn? Debt levels. Too much debt is a red flag. For beginners, companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Google can be solid choices because they have strong financials and are leaders in their industry. Step 2, understand what the company does. Never invest in something you don't understand because essentially you're gambling. Ask yourself, what does the company do? How do they make money? Do you believe they'll still be growing in 5 to 10 years? If you can explain a company's business in one sentence, it might be good for a first stock. If you can't explain a company's business in one sentence, it might not be a good first stock. Step 3, avoid hype and risky stocks. Big mistake beginners make is chasing hype stocks, like meme stocks or penny stocks. Just because a stock is trending doesn't mean it's a good investment. Avoid these as a beginner. Penny stocks, too volatile. Trending hype stocks, like pump and dumps. Companies with no profits. Stick with proven businesses for your first investment. Step 4, how to actually buy your first stock. Once you choose a stock, here's how to actually buy it. Open a brokerage account. I'll show you how in the next video. Search for a stock by its ticker symbol, example AAPL for Apple. Decide how many shares you want to buy. Choose market order or limit order. Market order means instant buy, while limit order means buy at a set price. Then click buy. The biggest mistake beginners make, selling too soon. Many new investors panic when the stocks drop and sell at a loss. Stock prices go up and down every single day, but the long-term trend is up. If you don't believe me, go on your Apple iPhone, click on the stock app, type in ticker symbol AAPL, then click 10-year and drag your finger from 10 years from now. We're in the year 2005, so go back to 2015 and start from 2015 and drag your finger all the way until 2025. As you can see, it goes in an upward motion. It goes up and down, but it goes in an upward trend. Solution, invest for the long term. Don't panic sell, let your money grow. Let's do a quick recap on how to purchase your first stock. Number 1, pick profitable, well-known companies. Number 2, understand the company before you invest. Number 3, avoid hype stocks and risky bets. Number 4, use a brokerage account to buy your first stock. And lastly, invest for the long term, don't panic sell. Now, what's the first stock you want to invest in? Comment down below, I want to hear from you. If you're ready for that next step, hit that like and subscribe button, because in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to open a brokerage account step by step. That's it for now. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.